Welcome to MathZip, Cambridge Mathematics Learners Book 9, Unit 2, Exercise 2.1. We are starting this video from question 4. Let's start. This is very important question because here is mentioned this is part of Perrier's homework. Work out the value of each expression when x equals to minus 3. Note that this is minus 3 and y equals to minus 2. Question A, x square plus xy. Perrier try to solve this one. He mentioned minus 3 square plus minus 3 times minus 2, and he wrote minus 9 plus 6, result is minus 3. But look, first we have to try ourselves. Number A, x square plus xy. X means minus 3 and whole square. Look, he made common mistake. Once you are trying to multiply or square negative sign, then the entire number including the negative sign is squared, but he did like minus 3 square. This is wrong. So we should write minus 3. X means minus 3. X square, it means including minus also square, plus here is x, it means minus 3 times y means minus 2. So he did, this is right thing. So he made common mistake which we already shown. So minus 3 square means minus square also become plus, because minus times minus is a plus. So minus square means plus, 3 square means 9. Then minus and minus, once we multiply it will become plus. So 3 times 2 is a 6. So plus 6. Our result is what? Our result is 15. But Perrier result is minus 3. This is wrong. So our first question, look at Perrier's answer. Do you think he's working and answer is correct? Answers are correct? No. Number A, wrong. How about number B? Here is y cube minus 6x minus y, divide y. So y cube means, y means what? Y means minus 2. So minus 2 cube minus then 6 times minus x, and here is x means what? X means 3. So here is 3 and y means minus 2. Now look, he again made mistake. Minus 2 cube he make 8. But look, minus 2 cube, it means minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2. So 2, 2, 2, once we multiply it will become 8, but minus times minus is a plus, and plus times minus it should minus, but he wrote only 8. This is also mistake. Therefore the answer will be, here is minus 8, then minus, here minus and here minus is a plus. 6 divide 2 is a 3, so minus 9. Okay, so answer will be what? Minus 17. Okay, answer will be what? Minus 17. So we can say Perrier answer is what? Answer is incorrect. So we can say no, answer is incorrect. Okay, so I hope you clear this one, and discuss your answer to part A with other learners in your class. Do you agree or disagree with the other learners? So I already discussed number A and B, and try to find out the common mistake which we are did in our daily life. So number 4 done. Number 5, this is also a very interesting math thing, like a mathematician. Number 3 also we did same thing. Here is mentioned, work with a partner to answer this question. The expression x square plus y has value of 15. Write down 3 pairs of integer value for x and y when. So first we can write like this: x square plus y, and we have to find out 3 value of x and y. So first is positive, right? Number A, it should positive. So x, 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 then y, y, y. Suppose if we think x equals to 1, so it means 1 square. So till we need, here is x square plus y, we should find the value of, this is 15. So here we need 14, right? So 1 square 1 plus 14 equals to 15. So if x is 1, then y equals to 14. Next, this is A. How about next one? This is A, but first part. Again, x square plus y. If x equals to 2, then 2 square. So we need 15 to make. So 2 square is a 4. So we need 11, right? 4 plus 11 equals to 15. So once x 2, y become 11, right? So now this is number 2 of A, and 3 x square plus y. Now look, if x equals to 3, so 3 square, so 3 square means 9, so we need 6. So 3 square 9 plus 6, it will be 15. So once x equals to 3, that time y equals to what? 6. So x and y are both positive number. Here x and y all are positive number. Okay, so number A done. Now we will start number B. So this is the summation of first part, number A. Number B, x and y are both negative numbers. So this is also similar thing, x square plus y, we should make this one is 15. So first one, x and y are both negative. So let's think x equals to, suppose, minus 4, then y equals to what? We can make practice in here. Minus 4 square, this is x square plus y. So minus 4 square means 16, so we should make minus 1. So 16 minus 1 equals to 15. So y should minus 1. Therefore look, here is minus 4 and y minus 1. Why we are not taking minus 1, 2, 3? Because if we take, suppose, minus 3, it will become plus 9. So we need till plus 6. But plus 6 we cannot count because we need y also negative number. So we are starting from minus 4. Now x equals to minus 5. So y equals to, so let's try again. This is 1. This is 2. So minus 5 square, it means what? Plus 25. So we have to deduct minus what? We have to deduct minus 10. So minus 10. Why should minus 10? So here it will be 15. So y here is minus 10. Again x equals to minus 6. So y equals to what? Number 3. X equals to minus 6. It means minus 6 square. So it should 36. But we need what? To make 15. So here minus 21. So this is minus 21. So 36 minus 21 will be 15. So if x equals to minus 6, that time y equals to minus 21. Sorry, here is minus 21. Very simple. So number A and B done. Here is positive and here is negative. So now we have to make x is negative and y is positive, or vice versa. So we will need that number each other positive and negative. So again we can start from here. So this is number C. X equals to, suppose, minus 1. So x equals to minus 1, then y equals to what? We will find out in here. Here is, we have to make x square plus y equals to 15. So x means minus 1. So this is square. So minus 1 square means 1. But to make 15, we need plus 14. So plus 14. Okay. So if x equals to minus 1, that time y equals to 14. Okay. So look, here x minus and y plus. Again x equals to, suppose, minus 3. Then y equals to what? Minus 3 square plus, we don't know the result. Minus 3 square means 9. So plus, we have to need value. Here shows 15. So we need what? We need 9 plus 6. So y should be 6. Okay. So y here is 6. Now final one. X equals to, suppose, plus 5. So y equals to what? We can make in here. X equals to plus 5. So 5 square, it should 25. So 25, we have to deduct something. Suppose we need 15. So but we already have 25. So we have to deduct minus 10. So it will become 15. So y should be minus 10. So y equals to minus 10. Now look, once x minus, that time y plus. Again when x plus, that time y minus. So as per question, we are doing everything. So number A, B, C done. I hope you cleared this one. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. Thank you.